Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's your boy Antoine with Chump Production, coming to you with another video and an update on Cryptotab. Thought I'd make another video about it. I'm making over 10,000 satoshis a day. I'm making this video to tell you guys, look, this is where I'm at right now. What I made in the last 14 hours or so, $2.36, I think. But anyway, I've done this without any referrals. I have referrals, 21 referrals, but they're not active. So you don't need to have referrals to make 10,000 satoshis, over 10,000 satoshis a day, which is over $3 a day. You can do it with just paying the $50 a week or every 2 weeks with the 5x mining power, or you can do the 20x and get there a lot quicker. But it's gonna cost 180, $200 to do it. But it's up to you guys what you do. You don't need referrals to pull it off. You don't have to be referral dependent. I'm not referral dependent. Nobody supports my channel anymore, so I do it all on my own. I don't care that I don't get referrals. It don't bother me that you guys aren't signing up under my links. I'm still making it happen without you. I don't necessarily need you to sign up because I'm doing it anyway. So this is like I say all the time. I'm documenting my journey for my own research purposes to sharpen up my trading skills over time by documenting what I've done, what works and what doesn't work, and staying focused on what does work. I've been with Cryptotab since December of 21, and it's working for me. I started off making 3 cents a day. Now I make over $3 a day. You know what I'm saying? Just on my phone with Cryptotab. I also got miners in my basement that's making money. So I'm making quite a bit of BTC every single day without referrals. Like I said, I don't care that you guys aren't supporting me. My referral links and all that, it doesn't hurt my feelings. You know what I'm saying? I move on. So thanks be unto the sovereign Lord for giving me some funds to afford to pull off my investments the way I have been doing since 2017. I mean, I jumped into the market without referrals and made money, and I'm making money without referrals, even to this day. You know what I'm saying? 6 years later. So my point is that you guys that got YouTube channels and you're having trouble getting views and subscribers and people to click on your referral links, don't focus too much on trying to get referrals because it's not really going to happen unless you tell lies. You have to be fictitious to get referrals. And I'm not a liar because the commandments of Yahweh command against bearing false witness. So I'm not going to exaggerate just to get referrals so I can get passive income or telling lies to the public. And then when the project goes out of business, everybody's wanting to sue me. You know what I'm saying? Like what happened to Trayvon James in 2018 with BitConnect when it went out of business. I watched what happened in the market, so that's one of the reasons why you don't want to really focus on referrals and getting that passive free money from referrals because if it blows up, then you on the hook. So I haven't had that problem the last 6 years. I haven't had any support from the YouTube community. I don't get support from you guys. So, but as you can see, I'm still making videos. I'm still averaging a lot of views per videos when my subs come through and when my videos are circulating on the algorithm on YouTube for my production team that does promotions on my video. It doesn't matter to me. I have the funds to keep going without you. You know what I'm saying? I want that point to get across and get in your head. I don't need you. You know what I'm saying? I don't need anybody but the sovereign and almighty Lord Yahweh. That's all I need. So I'm gonna keep making videos. I'm gonna keep showing what I'm doing because when the generation who's turning to this watch the video and learn from this period of time so they can sharpen up their skill in the future. These videos will be here as a tutorial for them so they can hone in their skills and do what I did and feel confident knowing that just because they're not getting support from their friends, relatives, and the community doesn't mean they have to stop. The sovereign and almighty Lord Yahweh got a plan for them. So he's got a plan for my channel, he's got a plan for your channel. It just takes time, like musicians, these guys are in the game 20 plus years before they finally release an album that everybody wants to hear and becomes popular. But they spend 20 years getting peanuts, barely getting by, and steady staying faithful to their agenda, their mission, what they want to do. That's their dream. They want to be a musician. You know what I'm saying? So they stick with it. My goal is you know what I'm saying, to make over 5 cents a minute. You know what I'm saying? Every minute. That's my goal here in the next 6 months, 6 to 9 months, to get to 5 cents a minute. Once I get to 5 cents a minute, I'll be happy. Then I can go from there. The more you mess with Cryptotab, the more you understand Bitcoin. It just takes time. You can't pull it off overnight. It's not gonna happen overnight. You know what I'm saying? If you plant seeds in your garden, it takes days for them to germinate and sprout. You know what I'm saying? And then when they sprout, there's no guarantee they're gonna make it. God can send a rain, a flood, and the flood kills the plant, the seedlings. They don't grow no more because they got too much water. Or it could be the opposite. He may not send any rain. And if you got water in the plants, they're gonna die because they're not getting enough nutrients to survive. So there's any possible event that could occur while you plant your seeds. You know what I'm saying? Crypto is like a bus. The investors are the passengers. We're all on this ride together. Sometimes we go up a hill, that's when the market's climbing, it's pumping. Sometimes we go downhill, that's when the market is crashing, the price is going down. But and then there's times that the road is just straight and smooth. That's when the market is trading sideways. But we're all on this bus together. You know what I'm saying? We got to go through the perilous times and the good times and this journey on this bus together in crypto. You know what I'm saying? It just takes time. But that's all I got for you guys. You guys have a good one. Peace.